Uncut Attach-My-Patch from A-B Emblem. In this video, we will show you how to attach your patch without sewing or needing to use an iron. How to step-by-step instructions. Note you will need a metal kitchen spoon, a pencil, and scissors. It's recommended that you pre-wash the garment without a fabric softener. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is put the patch on the sheet and then trace the outline of the patch. With your scissors, cleanly cut the shape out just inside the tracing lines. When you're finished, the line should disappear. Bend to open the paper tab. Peel off one half of the liner only. Flip the patch over. Then, using the side that's one half peeled, line up with the patch shape only touching on the non-adhesive part. Reposition as needed. Once lined up, you can place and press the adhesive part. Then peel the other half of the liner away to complete the process. Next, peel off one half of the paper backing on the other side and fold it over for removal later. Position and place the non-adhesive side on the garment. Take your time, you should be able to reposition if needed. Now that you are in position, you can place and press the adhesive side down. Then peel away the other side and press to complete. Turn the garment over. I'm going to start at one edge and forcefully rub with the edge of the spoon all the way across the back of the patch. Use your thumb to apply hard pressure with the outside edge of the spoon, pressing down hard to create a tight seal. Really work it over. It should take a bit longer than shown in this video. Nice work! You can now wear the item. Later, it's important to place the item in a clothes dryer for 15 minutes on tumble dry low. After drying, rub the patch again with a spoon using firm, hard pressure from the back. This step cures the adhesive and makes the attachment long-lasting. Once cured, your patch will be attached for a long time. Don't pick at it or wash the item for 48 hours. When you do wash it, use cold or warm water only, tumble dry low or medium only. Do not dry clean. If you're using AttachMYPatch to attach a patch to a non-fabric item like a phone case, please skip the clothes dryer step. We hope you found the video helpful. Thanks for watching.